I know you're thinking 3D printed carbon fiber texture. There's no way that's possible. Well, it is if you know the trick. Let me show you how it's done. So I assume you figured out the trick. All it is that I use 3D textured vinyl on my print bed. Now you have to make sure you get the right kind, because there's lots of carbon fiber vinyl out there that doesn't actually have the texture. So you have to make sure it's the one with texture, and I'll put a link in the description to make sure you get the right kind. Big thing here is just make sure it goes on super flat. Double check that you don't have any air stuck in between the vinyl and the print bed. Then I just reinstall my print bed on my printer. But now you definitely have to go back and level your print bed. Once you get a little bit more proficient at leveling your print bed, you don't have to use the card method anymore. And just like I'm doing here, I usually just do it by sight. All I'm doing is just making sure that the head is level with the bed with absolutely no pressure. So, such a cool trick using some 3M vinyl. Now this stuff isn't super cheap, but it's not super expensive either. And just think of all the cool things you can do with this. A lot of guys use this just on their flat 3D printed objects to give it a, a fantastic carbon fiber texture, and that definitely works. But if you have anything that's a little bit more complex, you can use this trick to get that carbon fiber texture on your project, and it looks amazing. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and of course, I've got some other cool stuff coming up.